Fu means adult man. In ancient China, it was a custom for a man to have his hair held together with a hairpin when he reached 20. The character Fu consists of Da and Yi. Da symbolizing a man, Yi symbolizing the hairpin. The stroke order of Fu. Joke time. Two women are chatting. I found a way of slicing onions without shedding my tears. Really, how? Let my husband slice them. Husband, 丈夫. As a man is allowed to get married only after he has reached adulthood, Fu means husband. 姐, elder sister. Fu, husband. 姐夫 means elder sister's husband. 前 former. Fu, husband. 前夫 former husband. Fu means a person engaged in manual labor. 船 means boat. Fu means a person engaged in manual labor. 船夫 means boatman. 鱼 means fishing. 夫 渔夫 fisherman. Humor time. I knew a cannibal who had been influenced by Catholic missionaries. On Friday, he ate only fishermen. Fisherman, 渔夫. Let's learn character 斤. Jin is used as a measure of weight, equals half kilogram. The character Jin evolves from the shape of an X. Characters with Jin as a component most have to do with the X and its uses. Jin could be imagined as this steel-yard balance. Joke time. My sister wants to lose weight, so she keeps riding a horse every day. In a month, her weight doesn't change, but the horse loses 40 kilograms. Kilogram, 公斤. Jin, a unit of weight, half kilogram. 公, international. Jin, 公斤, kilogram. Let's learn character 公. 公 evolves from the shape of a bow. 公 means bow. Characters with 公as a component most have to do with the bow and its uses. The stroke order of 公. Humor time. My bow is forceful. What is the use of wearing bulletproof vest? I can shoot you right in the head. Bow, 弓. 弓 means bow. 弹 means ball. 弓, 弹弓, slingshot. 弓 means bend, like bend bamboo straps into a bow. 弓, 腰 means waist. 弓腰 means bend down. Character fu evolves from the shape of a hand holding an axe. Usually a father took the responsibility to fight with enemy and to work in the field with an axe. Fu means father. Fu could be imagined as a father holding a baby in this way. Humor time. After I was kidnapped, my parents snapped into action. They rent out my room. Parents, 父母. Fu means father. Fu. Qin means parent. 父亲 means father. Fu. Mu means mother. 父母 means parents. 父 means male relative of a senior generation. 祖 means grandfather. 父祖父 grandfather. Humor time. I don't know who my grandfather was. I'm much more concerned to know what his grandson will be. Grandfather 祖父